How to fix Facebook professional mode pending problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you facing issues with activating Facebook's professional mode and seeing that your request is pending? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Facebook app, then go to menu icon on the bottom right, scroll down, tap on help and support, and tap on report a problem. So now go ahead and tap on continue to report. And then if you want to include complete logs and diagnostics in your report, tap on include. And now scroll down and search for the profile option, tap on it, and there you'll see a dialog box. So here you can write that your Facebook professional mode is pending, and if there are any additional steps required that you need to complete, then please let me know, and you can thank them for the support. And then you can even include the screenshot or screen record, and then like show what is the problem, and that's it. Facebook will reply to you within 24 or 48 hours and help you solve your problem. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.